you prepared to lead your organisation through change in a sustainable and meaningful way to support the growth and development of your organisation and its people? My name is Laurence Knell, and I am the Program Director of the Professional Diploma in Sustainable Change and Transformation at IMI. The Professional Diploma in Sustainable Change and Transformation is designed with you, the learner, in mind. We have consciously structured the program to meet the needs of people who are leading change and transformation in their organisational context, both now and into the future. By joining the program, you will learn about a number of key aspects which are absolutely vital to change and transformation in any organisational context. We'll start off by looking at the whole area of sustainable change and transformation, understanding what it means, but also how you can better lead both those aspects, change and transformation. We'll step on then to think about talent and individual interventions, exploring how you can support each individual within your organisational context to better engage with change and understand how they can work with change for their benefit and that of the organisation. We'll also look at teams, groups and decision making, looking at how you can support and leverage the power of teams in order to deliver better system-wide and organisation-wide change, before finally stepping on to look at change and transformation at an organisation-wide and indeed large system-wide context. What does that mean? Well, it's about how change and transformation happen at that macro level, whether you're working within a large organisation or indeed working with multiple organisations. Our interactive workshops and real-world case studies are designed with you, the learner, the program participant, in mind. They bring to life the key frameworks that you'll be working with and be able to apply from day one in a meaningful way. Firstly, you'll develop your skills in leading effective change and transformation, looking at aspects like planning, communicating, and embedding change within the organisational context, while also taking into account the specific needs not only of the organisation, but also of each individual within that organisation. You'll think as well about how to influence stakeholders. Every organisation has a range of stakeholders, so by working with them and understanding their needs effectively and consequently influencing them, you'll be better able to deliver change for your organisation's benefit. You'll, through this, also look at how you can build your change toolkit. You'll have an implementation-ready set of tools that you can work with from the get-go. And throughout all of this, you'll be expanding your professional network, learning together with others who are committed to delivering effective and sustainable change and transformation for their organisations. Our experienced faculty and learning environment are dedicated to your personal and professional growth. You'll have direct access to cutting-edge knowledge through the faculty who share their deep experience in leading and implementing change and transformation across a wide range of organisational contexts. Investing in your ability to lead sustainable change is about investing in your longer-term career growth and success. We look forward to you joining us on the IMI Professional Diploma in Sustainable Change and Transformation to help you deliver meaningful change and meaningful success for you and your organisation into the longer term.